Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Senbana P18. We unboxed a few Senbanas a while before, now it's time for the new P18. In today's video we'll see what we have in the box first, what we have in the software, what option do we have here, and we will try all these options and see how these will work. In the next video we'll show you how to connect it with Android and iOS, so let's go ahead, start with unboxing first and see what we got from this device. In the new Senbana P18, we have 1.4-inch colored display, we have health monitoring, sleep monitoring, multiple workout modes, real-time information reminder, sanitary reminder, multi-language. You can see right here we have 200 mAh battery, IP67 waterproof, and more practical function like steps, distance, calories, alarm clock, music control, weather, etc. You can see the watch itself is made very good with very good material, and we have the charger, which in this case it's very large. I'm not sure why companies are choosing to make now larger chargers. I noticed that in the latest smartwatches that we purchased. So we saw the box of the Senbana P18. Let's peel the protection case off. And you can see the 1.4-inch screen that we talked about before. One single button, press and hold to power it on, and as you can see we have power now in the P18. This is how it looks in the outside. Very good material. It's kind of metal, I'm not sure what it is. As you can see we have quite a few here option, like 5 of them to change faces in this watch, and they are pretty decent. So let's choose this one, that is the default one. As you can see the taskbar, we have the brightness, torch, vibration, settings, don't disturb, lock screen, time and date, also the percentage of battery. These are just a few shortcuts that we can use. Down we have steps, messages and sleep, health, sport and weather, brightness, stopwatch, flashlight, find phone, music and the settings. In the right we have the steps for today, heart rate, sleep, music control, weather, and that's it. In the right side, in the left, we have the menu with icons, not with names like we saw down below. You can see right here we have quite a few options in the P18 that we can try. Heart rate is the first option. You can see it immediately, it starts to measure your heart rate and it shows the first result, and also you can see it says completed. This is the final result. And same with blood pressure, as you can see it started to measure, and after that it shows you the first result and the final result as well. Completed, we have the final result for blood pressure, and next in the line we have the blood oxygen. You can see 3 options for health caring in the P18, which I think these are quite good option to have in a smartwatch. Other than the health, we have here walk, run, cycling, basketball, football, badminton, rope skipping, and that's it. A couple of sports in the P18. As you can see we have the seconds on the top, calories, blood pressure, steps and kilometers as well. We don't have anything else here. Usually we have the music control, but in this case we don't. We have the weather that we mentioned before, and the music control is separate from the sports. So this is all that we can try here in the P18. I think for the price of this watch and for the watch itself, these are quite enough things to have here. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you find this video interesting and helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.